Hello everyone, my name is MUKTHA from first year IS branch. My startup company name is Eternal Infinity. Product present name is Packaged Food. Product proposed name Government Grab. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one, to manage their time for efficiently. Strength the grocery budget who still providing necessary nutrition. Define. Based on the empathizing stage and the considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the exciting product. Exciting product name. Packaged food. Futuristic product. Name gourmet crab. I did. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. First one, convenience, accessibility, dietary needs. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw sketch. The sketch is given below. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.